Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my porridge beans with fried plantain. And if today is your first time of tuning in, you are welcome to Ayi's Kitchen. Please support your girl by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the notification button so whenever I upload new video you will be notified. Thank you very much, I really appreciate it. For my returning subscriber, I say thank you very much for your support. God bless you. First, I will start by cooking my beans. This is honey beans, brown honey beans, but you can use any kind of beans of your choice. I will be pouring my beans inside the boiling water. It's already washed and cleaned. Cover it to cook. Onions, here I have blended tomato, fresh pepper, ginger, garlic and onions. Seasoning, crayfish, grounded crayfish. Salt. I will leave it to cook at least for 25 minutes. My bean stew has been cooking for 25 to 30 minutes now. It's time for me to add my smoked fish and fried fish. Leave it to cook for at least 5 to 5 minutes. it together. My porridge beans and fried plantain is ready, and this is how it looks like. If you would like this video, support me by pressing like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button so whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye and love you all.